After ruku' is the Qawmah, meaning you get up again. But this standing position is shorter than the first one. And in this standing position, we should be completely straight. Yani we should stand completely upright. And as we stand upright, again, we should glorify and praise Allah. First of all, we say as we rise, Sami'a Allahu liman hamida. Allah has heard the one who praised Him. And then we say, Rabbana wa lakal hamd, or Rabbana lakal hamd, or Allahumma Rabbana lakal hamd. Yani there's different ways of saying this. And it's good to bring that variety in salah. That our Lord, you deserve all praise. Hamdan kathiran tayyiban mubarakan fi. A praise that is abundant, praise that is pure, and praise that is blessed. Yani a lot, and pure and great. This is how much I praise you. Another thing we can say is, Sami'a Allahu liman hamida. Allahumma Rabbana lakal hamd. Mil'u as-samawati wa mil'u al-ardi wa mil'u ma shi'ta min shay'in ba'du. That, O Allah, our Lord, for you is praise that fills the heavens and fills the earth and fills whatever else you will. In another dua, we add to that, أهل الثناء والمجد أحق ما قال العبد وكلنا لك عبد اللهم لا مانع لما أعطيت ولا معطي لما منعت ولا ينفع ذا الجد منك الجد. That, O Allah, you are worthy of what the slave has said, and all of us are slaves to you. O Allah, none can prevent what you have willed to bestow, and no one can bestow what you have willed to prevent, and the wealth of the wealthy one will not help him against you. In another dua of Qawmah, we say, Allahumma طهرني بالثلج والبرد والماء البارد اللهم طهرني من الذنوب والخطايا كما ينقى الثوب الأبيض من الوسخ. That, O Allah, purify me with snow, hail, and cold water. O Allah, cleanse me from the sins and errors, just as a white garment is cleansed from dirt. Isn't this amazing? The Prophet ﷺ worshipped Allah in the most beautiful way. And this is why his example is the best example for us. We cannot come up with such beautiful words, such complete words. We can only learn them from the Prophet ﷺ. And you see, in these words, we are taught to seek forgiveness from Allah. We just did that at the beginning. And now again, after ruku', when we glorify and praise Allah, again we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for forgiveness and purification.